In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the appearance of your Microsoft Word by changing the Office theme to better suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a darker interface or a vibrant, colorful look, Microsoft Word allows you to personalize its themes for a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's dive in and see how to make these simple yet effective changes. First, let's go ahead and open Microsoft Word. Once you have Word fired up and running, you need to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot the File tab. Give it a click. You'll notice that this action brings up a new menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find essentially all of your file-related options, and for what we're doing today, this is where you'll select Options. The Options button is located right at the bottom of that sidebar, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Word Options dialog box, you'll be greeted with an array of customizable features. Our focus today is on the General tab, which is usually the one that pops up first. If it isn't already selected, go ahead and click it. Now that you're in the right place, scroll down a bit until you reach the section titled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This area is all about tailoring the look and feel of your Office suite, and it's where you'll find what we're specifically looking for, the Office theme settings. Here's where the customization magic happens. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. Your task now is to choose the theme that best aligns with your personal preference or needs. You have several options at your disposal. Starting with dark gray. This theme offers a darker interface with lighter contrast, perfect if you enjoy a subdued look but aren't quite ready for full dark mode. If a deeper dark mode is what you're after, then black is your go-to. It introduces the darkest interface with full dark mode aesthetics, ideal for reducing eye strain in low light conditions. For those who are fans of the traditional light mode, the white option is available. This provides the classic, clean appearance that many Word users know well. And lastly, the colorful theme. This option gives the default colored theme and is vibrant and lively, identical to what you'd find in the other Office applications. After making your choice from these wonderful themes, it's crucial to click OK to apply the changes. And that's it. Your Microsoft Word should now reflect the theme you've chosen, enhancing your experience with a personalized touch that makes your time spent writing and editing feel just right. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and now you'll enjoy using Word in the style that feels most comfortable to you.